Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
Hello there and welcome again. I hope that you're happy and safe wherever you are right now. Join me today as I share my thoughts about intentional living. This video is inspired by Meghan Livingstone, one of my favorite YouTubers. Intentional living is based on the value and beliefs of a person. It's a lifestyle with goals and purpose, focusing on your goals in life and not be sidetracked by other things. It's important that you understand your lifestyle along with your beliefs and values as they are correlated. In my case, I don't make plans because it doesn't work for me. However, I always set my goals straight and make sure that they will be met regardless of how long it'll take. What I really love about intentional living is that you don't pressure yourself into something based on others' point of view. You're solely focused on your intentions, beliefs, values, and goals. We're living in a fast-paced world right now when everything wants to get everything all at the same time. Everything and everyone seems to be in a hurry. So it's important that we know how to do things at our own pace and on our own time. Meghan mentioned to create your own definition of success, which is very true to me. I celebrate small things and consider them success, which might not be a big deal to someone else, but it is for me. Intentional living goes hand in hand with contentment. Now, being content, as I mentioned on a previous vlog, doesn't mean that you don't desire more, but you're just patient for what's next to come. Not expecting so much as you're happy and thankful for what you have at the moment. Lastly, learning how to let go will also make life intentional and purposeful. It'll be easier once we've accepted that it is what it is after we've tried our very best. Life is not complicated, but we tend to make it one. Each day is a learning process, as they say, and it may be overwhelming at some point, but what makes it more meaningful and intentional is the way you approach and accept it. At the end of the day, it'll be your mindset that matters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.